Okay, so here we are going to make elephant toothpaste. First things first, safety. And now right here we have hydrogen peroxide with some soap in a bottle. And here we have our catalyst mixed with some water. And once we put the catalyst into the hydrogen peroxide, it will go boom. So that's the easy way of explaining it, or simple for you people who aren't super smart. So, oh, fumbled a little bit, but I think that was good. Okay, so basically, what is happening is the hydrogen peroxide has basically water with an extra oxygen, H2O2, and the catalyst is taking that extra oxygen, releasing it, and then producing heat, and that heats up the water, which was made by the hydrogen peroxide without the oxygen, which then makes steam, which then goes through the soap to make foam, and that goes up through this chamber, which gets tighter, and that makes it squirt up into the air. And that's how you make elephant toothpaste.